this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So here you can pretty much scroll. You have the chart type of style here where you can scroll and find different templates which you can use. And these templates are very easy to use. Either you have to upload 2 images, either you have to upload 1 image of yourself to pretty much get these results. And it's just basically easy to use, guys. So all you have to do is tap on the use template option, and it will give you the option to upload the photo. And you may want to turn into a, as you can see here, custom figure or any one of these templates you want to use. So one photo of yourself, give you these results. Very simple. So do keep in mind this application is not for free. Going to need credits to use the application. So you can go in the studio option as well to pretty much tap on or to generate videos, AI videos. You can use the text to video option and you have the image to video option. Here you can enter your prompt you want to pretty much want as it relates to the video. Yeah, down here you can pretty much go ahead and select the AI model that you want to pretty much use. As you can see here, these are pretty much not available, so it's only their own AI model to be able to use. That's where you can select how long you want the video. You have up to 10 seconds option, and it pretty much starts on the 4-second option. Down here you have the quality of the video. You have pretty much straight up to 180p, which you can use as well. So if you do tap on an option, if you do want the high quality video, do keep in mind you're gonna cost you more credits to generate that video. As well, you have the image to video option. You just upload the image and pretty much enter the prompt at the top to promote what you want to happen in that video. So that's pretty much it. And as well, we have the creation section, which you will pretty much find all of your generated videos in this section here. So in the process section, in progress, you will pretty much see all the videos that are in progress basically. So in the profile option here is pretty much where you go to buy credits. So if I do tap on the buy credits option, it will tell you won't tell you the credits or purchase credits option. You can tap on the purchase credits option at the top here, and this is pretty much where you go and find where you can purchase credits. As you can see here, the prices for the credits. You have up to 10,000 credits where you can purchase. So that's really pretty much it. And you can get credits for free, but you have to watch out for 3 ads. So if you're in this section here and you do try to go back or select the back option on your device, and it will pretty much show you to watch an ad. So you can tap on this option here to watch an ad. It's for you to get free credits. So you can now you basically watch up to 3 ads for you to get free credits. So if you don't want to watch the ads or anything like that, or you do want to get free credits, you can tap on the X at the top and you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much how you get your purchase your credits, or if you want to get free credits, you can get that as well. So here you have the purchase plan history. Nothing much for this. You can go in this section here as well to get your subscription. As you can see here, the subscription is pretty much different. Here you have a few unlocked styles and so forth. So the subscription doesn't give you, I would say it doesn't let you generate videos. So you're gonna still need credits to generate videos. It may give you a few credits to use, but it will not give you a lot. If you finish those credits, then you're still gonna need a subscription, not subscription, credits to pretty much generate your videos. So do keep that in mind, guys. So that's pretty much it for the video. Nothing much, very easy, straightforward application to use, simple design. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.